Hey, Christmas is now past, and that's great. We're thinking about spring. So onto the farm came a nice little gift for us that we're sure going to probably use come spring well. It is a 3-point Category 1 Hitch. It's a kind of heavy box when it came in, but the boys really wanted to unpack it. It's by Garvee. And I'll show you this on a tractor probably on the next video. I think I'm going to put this on the 4066R because it's a Category 1 hitch on that. And I'm probably going to try it on that first. It's a quick hitch. You know, a lot of different companies make quick hitches, but this is a little bit more affordable one. And it comes in red or green. Might even come in black, I'm not sure. But it looks pretty robust, so we're giving it a try here and kind of getting it together. The boys wanted to put it together, so I'm letting them do, you know, the hard part and the unboxing and stuff. My game plan with this is to be able to move bale wagons around and then yet be able to back up and just, you know, maybe pick up the digger come late spring, or, you know, put the TR3 drag behind it, you know, anything like that. What I like about this one is that they put a hitch system right in with the quick attach system. So let alone can you just back up to a 3-point implement, you know, kind of hook into it, lock down the two arms and grab it. But you've also got the ability to back up to something like a bale wagon with a 2-point, with the 3-point in this on, and lower it down and then have like a 2-inch ball receiver on it and be able to grab that wagon and just throw a pin in it and pick it up and go. As you can imagine, this farm bleeds green, so we got the green version. It comes with the directions here, which I don't know, really don't tell you much. But it's pretty robust. It's pretty heavy. It was packaged pretty decent. There was a screw missing, a nut missing on the one side when we opened it up, but we found it in the package. I think it had just worked itself free from, you know, being shipped around, bounced around. You know, it's the way a lot of these products are made. You know, they try to pack them the best they can, but good luck with that, with the way things get moved around in the shipping industry. And this particular one's gone through quite a bit of cold, so it's pretty cold metal today. You know, I think it came shipped in the big snowstorm of was it Fern or whatever they're calling her. So I think it sat in a truck for a few days. But regardless, he's getting it together real quick, and we're going to get the thing cleaned up. I said the manufacturer on this is Garvee. You can see it in my links below if you want to buy one of these. Category 1 can pick up about 1,000 pounds typically for a 3-point, so that's kind of what this is rated for. And like I said, the part I like about it the best is it's got a hitch receiver on it for a 2-inch, you know, hitch pin or ball or whatever you want, so you can pick things up with the back of the tractor with that. Now granted, not everything can hook into these. There's always that piece of implement where you got to take this off to be able to use your traditional 3-point. But I do like that you can back up to most things, hook right onto it and go, and you know, not have to do as much manual labor hooking up 3 individual points. So once Grant's got it all cleaned up here, I'll show it to you. But it's pretty heavy and it looks robust. I think it's going to hold up well on the farm, and we'll see if come spring we can get it to use. I'll probably put it on a tractor in the next day or so just to make sure it fits and it looks good on there. And then, you know, come spring, we should hook it up to one of our things and haul it around with. The problem is right now, you know, we're dealing with good foot of snow on the ground yet with a nice layer of ice and stuff with it. And goodness gracious, I think today's high was finally above 0. I think it was like 6 or 8. So we're really not doing much with the big diesels yet. But again, this is what you do in the winter. You get your projects done. You get things assembled and get ready for spring. So here it is. Got a 2-inch ball in the Garvee here, and we're ready to go. Both the arms lock and unlock, which is good. The center pin, I think, is adjusted right for me. Got a lot of adjustment holes on that, so you can move it up or down, folks. So thanks for watching. You know, please like, subscribe, follow along, and we'll keep putting out great videos like this. Give me a few more days, and we'll throw this on the 4066R if the weather warms up a bit, folks.